Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Ooh. Seven of Swords, Six of Cups, the King of Swords, Three of Pentacles. So, itong taong to maaaring air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, na maaaring ginost ka niya or ginawan ka niya ng hindi maganda noon. Pero ngayon, this person is thinking about you, missing you. And we also have here the King of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so this person put you in a third-party situation noon. Maaaring pinagtaksilan ka niya, may pinili siyang iba, pinagpalit ka sa iba, na maaaring itong taon to is nakikita niya araw-araw sa workplace, kaya ganoon na lang kadali na na-fall siya doon sa taong yun. Lagi niya nakikita araw-araw. Yung bottom card natin, Seven of Pentacles. Pero ngayon, parang siguro nagkahiwalay na sila ng landas ng taong yun. Kaya parang ngayon is iniisip niya na bumalik sa'yo. Oh. Tingnan natin sa ating message na Archangels. So, we have here Clairaudience by Archangel Zadkiel. Notice the loving guidance you hear inside your mind or from other people. So, makinig ka sa mga payo ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Huwag kang mag-rely lang dun sa nararamdaman mo. Kasi usually, kapag, minsan alam mo yun, pag sobrang mahal mo yung isang tao, nabubulag ka talaga. So, makinig ka dun sa mga sinasabi ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Lalo na kung mahal mo pa rin tong taong ito. Pagtimbang-timbangin mo yung mga sinasabi nila. Pero syempre, alamin mo muna kung talagang totoo ba yun or sincere ba yung payo sa'yo ng mga tao. So, tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. We have here falling star and tide. So, for some of you, itong taong to, natali na siya or nakasal na siya doon sa taong pinili niya. Kaya parang mahirap yung sitwasyon. We also have here airplane. So, may long distance situation din. Sweet and lighthouse. So, namimiss niya yung pagiging sweet, caring mo, and everything about you, namimiss niya. Light bulb, bottom card natin. So, may mga plano itong taong to na makita ka or maaaring pupuslit siya para lang makita ka, ha? So, ayan. Tingnan natin, tarot messages, oracle cards natin. Kasi ang daming bagay na nakakapagpaalala sa kanya tungkol sa'yo. Kaya, lagi kanya namimiss. Sorry, I'm wasted. I want to grow old with you. You complete me. Patiently waiting. Can we start again? I'm being defensive. I want to protect you and can you forgive me? So, ayun, ngayon, this person is asking for forgiveness sa mga nangyari, nagawa niya. Tired and need rest. So, nakaka-drain kasi talaga itong connection nila. Masyadong toxic siguro. Kaya parang nade-drain siya doon sa energy ng taong pinili niya. Tignan natin, the hidden truth. Oracle cards. I want you. I know I was a distraction from your pain. You and I were too young. I want to tell you how I feel. It's time for me to heal now. I lost myself for a little while. I regret lying to you. And I wish I could share my good news with you. So yung bottom card natin, I feel you leaving me behind. So, ngayon, para ikaw naman ang, umiiwas. So, tingnan natin, ano bang initials nito? I, N, Q, K, M. Letter A, U, F. So, tingnan natin. Sa blue card natin, we have here confessions. Reminiscing and guilty. Okay, so guilty sa mga nangyari. And tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. So, marami talaga siyang gustong sabihin sa'yo, i-confess. Tingnan natin. Mindanao and Libra. City, March, private person, weird, skin tag, full of charisma, perfect smile, kind-hearted, future lover, April, soulmate, Leo sign, number 6, 9, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, good heart, November, quiet person, very serious, shy at first, hilarious. Need more signs and October. So, tinampan natin. More signs. Responsible. So, by this December, may something emotional. Intelligent, beautiful, long distance. Number 3, high expectation. Ex-lover. June. Taurus. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cold City. Number 8 and may pa-twin flame pa sa last. Tingnan natin to, neighbor. Yung bottom card natin. Oh, okay. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.